Alright, so I figured I'd show you this cool little fan here. It's a 44-inch 100 Dempsey ceiling fan in white with the, I can only assume, factory included remote. And you can dim the lights if you hold it down. It's at a house I'm staying in Virginia for a couple days. Hunter tag right there, Hunter logo. And let's put it on high. Two LED bulbs inside, which I can only assume were included with it. There's top. And I'll shut it down here. And there you have it for this 44-inch white 100 Dempsey ceiling fan. And also, there's a Casablanca Delta 2 I picked up earlier. But yeah, that's all. I'll also show the second and third one. There are 3 in this house. So I'll show all of them.